Hello, Kevin here from Lambert ATV Sales in Roscommon. Today I'd like to show you this 2019 Honda TRX500FM6, just traded in with only 744 genuine hours. It comes with power steering, manual gear change, independent rear suspension, selectable 2 and 4 wheel drive with differential lock. As I mentioned there, 744 hours. And 6,150 kilometers. It's a one owner bike, 2019, still on its original tyres, and it's in mint condition throughout. It'll be sold fully serviced, checked over and with warranty, and we can arrange finance on this bike for as little as €43 per week with no deposit, VAT included. Any questions, give us a call on 087 742 1488. Thank you.